Hello and welcome. David Bradley here. So here I have the game Centipede, and from what I found, okay. If I don't have a keyboard connected, but if I diddle around with the joystick, hello Penny, joystick and port 1, good things happen. Now, unfortunately, bad things are happening here. Because now, more things are coming in. I'm stuck, I'm trapped, the spider gonna get me. Where did all these things come from? I'm dead. That did not go well. Okay. Come on. Oh no, I'm gonna die again. Because suddenly, all these extra things are gonna come roaming in. Where are you? Oh no. I don't believe so. I'm not even gonna get off level 1. They're back on my level. I'm in trouble. Big trouble. I'm going down. I'm dead. Oh, that did not go well. Okay, so I'm not sure what I do with the other joystick to get this game going. But it works. So I'm going to shoot that sucker. And then they just keep coming. Damn. Woohoo, level 2. I know I'm dead. Ah! No! I'll do it again. Alright. Try this again. Anyway, the trouble before was definitely that the fire button was not. Okay, level 2. Hey, why am I stuck there? Dead again. Dead. Dead again. And I'm over. Oh dear. Alright, let's try again. Where'd that spider come from? Where'd that weasel come from? Dead. Oh dear. Come on, come to me. I'm gonna be screwed again. coming. They just keep coming in. I'm gonna be dead again. I'm gonna be dead again. Damn! This is frustrating. I used to be better at this than this. What have I done? Okay. Dead already. Got one. Got more on that one. More on the... Oh. I'm dead again. Anytime I have to go up, it doesn't go well. Then they just keep coming. Oh, word. How? Alright, we'll try again. Yeah, this is not going well. Dead again. Dead again. We're dead again. No! Come on. Okay, run to level 2. There's the spider. Who's that little green goblin? Dead again. Ooh, is this like level 3? But now they're all coming down. Ooh, am I gonna get away? Ooh, I did. Okay. Oh, no, I'm dead. Well, I got a new high score, 5,023. Alright, let's see here. Once again, I don't know what I do with that joystick, but somehow it fools the computer into thinking. Oh, I'm dead again. Oh, come on. No, you can't catch me. Run as fast as you can. You can't catch me. I'm not the gingerbread man. Dead again. So, this is Centipede. It is a great game. I do not know all that I should be doing. I seem to remember I had good luck if I could get them all kind of lined up. Right, maybe this will... Go away, spider. Okay, come on over here. No. Where'd you go? Why am I stuck? And there's that damn spider. Okay. Ooh, now we're cooking. I think. Right down. Get him. No, they keep coming. Alright, we're down. Damn. Ah, my cat, that spider! Oh no. Oh no, you do not. No! Not the spider. Oh, I got another one to go. Oh my god, what is happening now? It's mayhem. They're going faster and faster, and I'm going to die. Oh, I got another chance. What is that thing? That's a distraction, so I will die. Oof. Well, 11,372. That is the best that I think I've ever done at this game. Anyway, so this is testing the Commodore 64. We replaced the 6526 chip on, and it does seem to be working, because before it was the fire button that definitely did not work. So, success. Yeehaw. Thanks so much for being here. Thanks for coming. We'll see you again soon. Bye for now.